And I'm going down like the Titanic. Eyes blue like the Atlantic, and I'm going down like the Titanic. Eyes blue like the Atlantic, and I'm going down.
Something your teachers don't want you to know with online school, part 6. If you really don't feel like typing notes, just press your FN key twice. This will literally type what your teacher is saying and you won't have to write notes.
Here's how to make any essay longer. So when you're writing your essays, change because to the particular reason for the circumstance. Change this means to this actively demonstrates that. Change in conclusion to sum up everything that has been stated so far. Change for to for the exact purpose of. And change like to along the lines of. Share this with all of your friends.
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know.
They're gonna know.
How would they know?
This is how you unblur anything online. So first find the essay or problem you want to unblur. Then highlight it, right click, select inspect element, and then change blurred to none. Hit enter, and now it's visible.
If I back it up, is it fat enough? When I throw it back, is it fast enough? If I speed it up.
Secrets your teachers don't want you to know? Search for Hemingway Editor. This website grades your essay out of 10 and highlights for you everything that needs to be improved.
In my bag now, in my bag now. What the fuck is that sound? What the fuck is that sound? What the mag out, nigga?
How to make your essay longer, part 2. I repeat that this is no guarantee that your teacher's not going to catch on to what you're doing. But with that said, if you're trying to reach a word count, here's some changes you can make. Let's start simple. Change also to in addition to this. Change yet to on the other hand. Change but to although this may be true. Change about to in regards to. Change even though to be that as it may. Change until to until such time as. Change if to in the event that. This is my favorite one. Change this suggests to. Therefore elucidating the impression that. Gee, good luck. Get them A's, reach them word counts. Follow for more.
I fall in the club for free. I give out daps in them husband the ones for me. Cause that type of shit don't faze a player. This type of shit is what made the hater.
Look, sex, you ain't gon' never see me hate on no nigga. I think it's worth better, I'm tryna go shop with him. Yeah, what you need, little nigga, we having the bags of gas and they moving fast. And you can imagine, that bitch on the way. My bro catch the pack like it's mad. Go! Having my way with the act, come on. Fuck on the floor, fuck a mattress. They probably saying I'm not.
I can't talk right now, I'm doing hot girl
Fuck being good, I'm a bad bitch. I'm sick of motherfuckers trying to tell me how to live. Whack hoes hate under my pictures on the gram. Bitch, you better hope I never.
Alright, everybody writing final papers right now. This is gonna save your life, okay? Look, we've got page 8, almost a full page, okay? 7.5 pages. Go up to replace, do period, go period, do format, font, 16, okay? Hit okay, hit replace all. Hit okay down here. Now do comma, replace all, hit okay. Now do space, now do replace all, okay, hit okay down here, close out of this, look, right here, we're at the very bottom, right, page 10, we added 2 pages just doing that.
What's a piece of information that you learned that feels illegal to know?
If you ever need a book for school, you just go to this website, b-ok.cc, and it takes you to this page where you can search for the book by title or ISBN number. This is just a book that I needed last semester. You just type it in, press search, and it gives you all the books with that name. This happened to be the one right here. You just download the PDF, and there you go.
Yeah, bang. Already got one rolled up in my left hand. Pussy on my mind, tighter than a headband.
Hey everyone, this is how to write an essay in 5 minutes. First, you go to essaybot.com, you create a new essay, you put a title in, you put a prompt in if you like, then you hit refresh paragraphs and it'll take you to the paragraphs. It has no plagiarism whatsoever. You can edit it in this part, and you can go to citations and cite all your sources.
Secrets your teachers don't want you to know? Use Google Scholar instead of Google. When you click the quotes icon, it'll give you every type of citation.
Chrome extensions you need. Let's say you're trying to focus on your essay, but that new tab button keeps calling for you. Just get that Angry Study Helper extension, and the next time you open a new tab,
there is no passion, there is no vision.
Here's my biggest study tip that can save you hours when studying. Go to speechify.com and add the extension for free. Speechify is a Chrome extension that lets you listen to any text, physical or digital. I'm not much of a reader, so this has been a lifesaver for me and has made me 3 times more productive. There's also an app version of Speechify, and it's great because you can scan textbooks and it'll read to you. You can download it for free, and the link is in my bio.
Yeah, step in the club. I see your bitch.
Não vai não. Agora que esse som tá ficando bom, não vai não.
How to ace a book report without actually reading the book. First of all, I just want to say that I actually encourage reading. Look at my library. But on the other hand, sometimes I just don't have time for this. I have other classes, Mrs. Harris. Did I read this? No. Did I get 100 on the test? Yes. So this is how I did it. Okay, there are 2 websites that I normally use. Shmoop.com and SparkNotes. What's great about these websites is they actually do an analysis of the book and make it super easy to read. What's also great is that they give you detailed summary. Read all of this. It even gives you a summary on each chapter. Doing this is going to take you less than half the time than it would to read the actual book. And what's great about these chapter summaries is that they're going to give you all the information you actually need. No teacher is going to expect you to know every detail of this book, and they're especially not going to expect you to remember it. You now know the book. This is a great tool to use even if you don't understand a book. Shakespeare's hard. Reading these summaries really helps you understand it. Need to know the theme? Look no further. Need to know the tone? Look no further. And they even got quotes! The biggest thing is to just know the story. The characters, what happens when. Even if you don't read the book, it's good to have, so you can look at the page numbers for quotes. Go get A's, like and follow for more.
Look down, you're talking to your
a clown. That's clown shit.
Look down, you're talking to your highness. Can't see me, I'm the reason for your blindness. They tried this, but I'm too classy for your lines. So I double cut.
Work out for me, work out for me.
On you. Slow down, grab the wall, wiggle like you're trying to make your ass fall off. Hella thick, I wanna smash them all now. Speed up.
Some PPT things you might not be aware of. Save as a video. I always use this method when in cramming and don't have the time to do the motion graphics on After Effects. Save as a PNG or JPEG or whatever.
I know that I'm gone. They see me blowing up, now they say they want some.
You ever send an email then realize, oh no, I spelled something wrong? Well, do this. Click the gear in the top right corner, then see all settings. Then we're gonna set the cancellation period to 30 seconds. Now when you press send on an email, you have 30 seconds to unsend it. Follow me for more tips and tricks.
With your dreams, baby, get you and me. It's time to boss up. Fix your credit, girl, get at it, get your bag up. Hit that gym and get back fine. Go get that degree, go girl, focus on me. Unlock potential that you didn't know you had in you. Fuck that nigga, ay.
I'm mad at Disney, they tricked me, had me wishing on a shooting star. But now I'm 20-something, I still know nothing about who I am.
Here's how to finish any assignment 10 times faster. So I have to watch this 2-hour-long documentary for class, and there's worksheet problems to do. I don't really want to watch the entire video, so here's what I'm going to do instead. Go to the bottom of the video and click these 3 dots, then click where it says Open Transcript. This is going to bring up a transcript of everything that was said in the video. So let's say you have a question about the economy, just hit Command F and search for it in the search bar. And it'll tell you exactly what parts of the video mentioned economy. Share this with all of your friends and follow for the best life hacks. Here's another cool trick for all of you students. First, download Snap Camera and make it your camera for Zoom. And the next time you're in class on Zoom, you can play around with these filters so that you look snatched at your 8 a.m.s. Seriously, if you're like me and you wake up 3 seconds before class starts, use this. Make sure to share this with all of your friends and follow for part 3 and 4.
It's 5:50 something, and I feel so empty inside. The sun is going down, the sky